Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription or free trial. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, this guide will help you avoid being charged. Before we start, keep in mind, if you cancel during the free trial, you won't be charged. If you cancel a paid subscription, you'll still have access to Canva Pro features until your billing period ends. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and log in to your Canva account. On the bottom left corner, click on your profile from the menu, select Account Settings. On the left panel, click on Billing. Under your current plan, you'll see your subscription details. Click on Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. If you are on the Pro plan, you can pause the plan for 3 months or continue with the cancellation. Give a reason as to why you want to cancel. Confirm the cancellation when Canva asks. That's it. Your plan will be set to free once the billing cycle ends, and that's how you cancel your Canva Pro subscription or free trial super easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.